Okay, and we're back with another episode of Day in Life with Alyssa. We are currently on Independence Pass, just outside of Pitkin County, just outside of Aspen. It's pretty windy. The rain passed. I don't think it's coming back, and either way, I just care about thunderstorms, not actual rain. I'm scared of thunderstorms because one time I kind of like overstayed my welcome in nature, and I was like on top of a mountain, or more like a hill, and a thunderstorm formed on that hill, and so I was actually scrambling. The hill had rocks too. I was scrambling and I was like, I can't get down if it starts fucking thunderstorming. So I kind of had to race down, which wasn't a problem. That was fun, but dude, thunder when it's just a couple 100 feet above you is so loud. Oh man, that's so pretty. I didn't check when sunset is, so I'm not really worried about it. This is a pretty maintained and straightforward path. Like, this is a sheer cliff. Man, I'm sure you can fucking climb that. Not today. Yeah, I think I need some food or something. And I think I'm gonna go sit on that. Whew. Man, I like this ridge. It's not that windy. Not at the top though. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh. Whew. So fucking steep. This is really well established. Man, dude, I'm kind of scared it's gonna get dark, so I'll just head back. But look at this shit. Ooh, whatever. Holy fucking shit. I really want to get, oh damn, I really want to sit up there. crazy. Alright. Let's get through this rubble. Okay, whatever, it's fucking getting dark. I'll be out of this shit pretty soon.